Kasin Jambala Shimda Kasorkar Jilla, Lingbaka Overseas, Nursing Job Fair, House Name Arhajar Arpulai, Kalalong Kabaseso, Nakabenta ki Arpo Ngut ki nurse, Nakajilla Meghalaya, Kiba Ioh Ban Japan, Hadin Bakila Pendep Yaki Jingsha Hikai, Kiba Kuntup Banang Yakakti Japan, Bat Kiwe, Kini ki nurse, Kin Ioh Ban Haki Hospital Baper, Kiba Don Hari Japan.
So how has everything been? How's the experience been from the beginning till now, including the training and all? How did the training go? Training went off well?
Yeah, they taught me, but at first it was so difficult for us because it's new language.
Absolutely.
New language. It's very difficult even to write those letters. Yeah, especially the kanji. It's very difficult. So, but with the help of the tutors and all, we can.
The reason why we've taken this program very seriously is because we see that there's a great opportunity. We see that people like you that will work hard, and we are there to support you. And I personally feel that starting with the two of you, it will be a very long journey. We will see many. I was telling my friends and I was telling the enough people here to have a Meghalaya Day celebration. So, apart from that, what I was telling you earlier, things may get difficult. You're away from home and all, and keep moving on. Okay, and be disciplined. Always listen to your seniors what they say. Okay, I'm sure you will. I don't have to give you a long lecture on this, but it's my duty to say it. And I was saying that you will be inspiration to many. Okay, many other girls who will want to come, other boys also will want to come. Support you. Okay. Very nice.
From there you can get a very good view of.
I'm just saying the place is very nice. It's like very spacious. I mean, for one person. I thought there were two. There's one bed here. Thank you. Okay. Thank you once again. Good luck.
Fibaro kerteng jangan ada Ioh Kam Kadosau, ada nakasnong kli umtro Ribhoi district Meghalaya. Kajinya lenti jangan nadu nasnong hadu bangan dapoi ke Japan kalong kalenti ke bakalan. Oi wala sibun kijing henry ublei uladon rekat banga ki bahaya ngasam ki ladon rekat banga ki parlok parajon ki baju ai mesim barabor ki baju long ki hakti kamal ki kadiam ki la penyaj be yang kalenti ba kalong kalenti kaba sutanat hadu bangan dapoi.
Hello everyone, my name is Leit Kynduh. I am from Meghalaya, Nongpo Ribhoi district. I have came to know about Navis from with the help of government, the job fair which was held on 2023 August. From there I get to know about Navis. Then I came to Bangalore. I studied Japanese language in Navis Human Resource Private Limited in Bangalore. Of course, at first it was very difficult to study a new language, but with the help of the tutors, day by day we are able to learn and understand and write in Japanese. I would like to thank first God for keeping me safe all this time, my parents, my relatives, and our chief ministers, Conrad K. Sangma, and our government and the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society for giving us this opportunity where we can work abroad, where we not only just enhancing our skill, but we are exchanging cultures. Thank you so much for this opportunity because this kind of opportunity I could only dream of, but today is coming true. So I would like to many of our friends who are there in Meghalaya who are still afraid to come outside to explore their dreams, achieve their dreams. Please do take this opportunity because the government is there to support you, and please do come, enhance your skills, enjoy, and let us exchange culture between countries. Thank you. I would like to thanks our Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for giving us this opportunity where we can walk abroad. Thank you so much, sir. Coming abroad was just only a dream for many of us, but through your help and support, we are able to come here to gain new experience. Through this experience that I received here in Japan, I would like to go and share it to our states and country. Thank you so much, sir, once again for your support and being the representative of our state. We'll try to give our best and will never let you down. Thank you.
Last year, in the month of May, there was a job fair that we had conducted in Shillong, where our objective was to tie up with different stakeholders and different HR companies to place our nurses in different parts of the world, including in Japan, Singapore, Australia, likewise in different parts of the world. And when this job fair took place, more than 1,300 nurses had attended this job fair, and the government had committed to funding the particular training that was required for these nurses to work in different parts of the world. Today, I'm happy to inform all of you that after 1 year, the efforts that we had started have started to bear fruits, and today we have 27 of our nurses who have got placements in Japan, and 18 of them have got placements in Singapore. And the training program is going on very well, and we expect that in the coming months and the coming years, in fact, many more of our skilled manpower will be given the opportunity to work in different parts of the world. I'm here today in Japan, in Tokyo, and I will be visiting our nurses. The first batch of 2 of the nurses out of the 27 have already received their visas and other documentation, and they have already joined their place of work, and we'll be visiting them in the next couple of days to see how they are doing, how the experience has been, and also to give them the assurance and to their families that the government of Meghalaya is very much with them to support them in every way possible. Government of India is there to support them, and also to give a sense of confidence to other nurses who wish to work in other parts of the world and get these job employment opportunities, that the way the government of Meghalaya is working, the process is very professional, and the placement is also done in a very professional manner. And we would encourage all the other nurses also, those who wish to work in different parts of the world, that it is a good opportunity, it's a safe opportunity, and the government of Meghalaya, along with government of India, is there to support you in your endeavor to find placements in different parts of the world. Thank you very much.